Hello everyone, today I will show you Trip.com coupon code to get best discount in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end so that you don't miss any information. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to couponfollow.com. Here you will see Trip.com is listed with save 8% off offer. These offers may vary time to time. Click on Trip.com. It will take you to the website. Here in Find Cheap Flight Deals section, select your destination from the list. After that, select your departure and return dates. Click on Search button to view next page with the available flights. In this page you will see all the best deals. From here you can select flight as per your preference. After selecting your flight you will move to next page where you need to provide details of passenger, and you can provide promo code to get available discounts in the promo code section. After that, click on next and fill up the payment information and you are way good to go.